A look at where the Navy's 11 aircraft carriers are now. Associated Press. The Navy is weighing what to do about the USS Dwight D. Eisenhower aircraft carrier, which has been battling Houthi rebel attacks on shipping in the Red Sea for nearly 9 months. The service has 11 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers. Generally, they are getting ready to deploy, are deployed or have come off deployment and have gone in for maintenance and repairs. Below are your comments. That may be, Phyllis, but the press has a tendency to tell much more than they need to. I did 23 years active duty in the military and have watched them blather information that shouldn't be said for the sake of their deadlines and their egos. You forgot to mention the one that's destined to keep sinking, regardless of conflict. The USS National Debt. Having the ability to operate without a permission slip for basing and overflight access, while GE narrating the range of effects necessary to deter potential adversaries, is more than just a symbol of power. It is the essence of power. No one knows where the subs are. So, I understand that an aircraft carrier is not exactly inconspicuous. It's more than 100,000 tons of steel and it doesn't hide. I also understand that the foreign intelligence services who are interested in the whereabouts of our carriers already know everything in this article. But why is this being published? What benefit does it provide? Is that tiny little voyeuristic piece of data worth more than the potential harm? Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.